In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make at least $10 to $15 per day using some simple tags, and this is a no stress tax which I'm going to show you in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So if you are interested in making money online, freelancing and digital marketing stuffs, so this channel will be the right plug for you if you are interested in any kind of this category that I just mentioned. So without further delay, so I'll be showing you some platforms where we can actually use to make at least $10 to $15 per day without stressing yourself or doing a multiple task. So the platform that we are going to be using is Spreazy.com. So I don't know if you have heard about this platform before. So this Spreazy.com is all about promoting and making your video go viral. So I understand the fact that multiple and lot of people who are very interested in getting their videos promoted and also getting views on their videos. And of course you can see here on my Fiverr account, you can see the order I'm having in queue and the total amount which the total order was equivalent to. So if you are interested in something like this, so I'll advise to keep on watching this video. So here, this is what Spreazy is all about, and they help people to grow their YouTube channel and their videos to get viral on YouTube. So as you can see here, I'll be scrolling down and see the people that are rating this platform. So definitely they are legit and people trust them and they are doing business with them. So definitely you should also trust them as well. And you can see how they grow YouTube channel and how they make it go viral. So you can see here, tell us who should see your video. So who are your target audience, who you want to promote your video, and who you want to kind of people you want them to see your videos. So as well, we get their attention through YouTube ads. We promote your video on YouTube to users searching for your keywords and to the fans of similar channels. So definitely they promote your video to the kind of people who are actually interested in the type of video you are actually making. So another one is getting views, subscribers and real engagement. If you are a YouTuber and you are looking for something like this, so definitely this is the right platform for you. So I'll be showing you what and how you can use this platform to make money, and you can also see the kind of people who are working with Spreazy.com right now. So and you can see the results those channels are having on their videos. So with that you're able to understand what Spreazy is all about. So then what you are going to be using this Spreazy platform for is just scroll down or go to Spreazy.com, then scroll down here to where you have affiliate program. So you are going to be promoting Spreazy.com. So here we see what Spreazy is all about. So you can see here, welcome to Spreazy affiliate program, and you can also become their affiliate programmer. And of course you can sign up to the platform, so you'll be able to understand what the platform is all about. So without that being said, so after you have signed up to Spreazy affiliate platform, so how are we going to be using this platform to make money? So this is where we're going, this is where the real deal is. So if you have signed up for the platform, and the next thing for you to do is how you can promote this platform so you can make money with this Spreazy.com. So you go to Google Doc. So you need to understand and do some write up, so because you are going to be promoting the platform. So definitely people need to get confused on how you are trying to promote this platform and how it should be useful for them. So let's say for instance you want to promote Spreezy to YouTubers who are interested in promoting or getting views on their on their videos, or getting subscribers on their channel. So what you need to do is go to Google, then how to type in how to grow YouTube channel. So here you have a brief on how to grow YouTube channel. So as you can see here are 10 effective ways you can grow your channel. So you copy this from here to all these steps you found on this page. You can also click on the links to get the right deal, and also you can follow this what people used to ask for. So this also help you to understand what people ask for, and also people will be able to click on your, when you are trying to convince them, people will be able to get convinced if you actually nail what they are actually looking for. So then you come back to Google Doc here, and then you paste the old text. So come in. So you need to restructure the old text so everything will look great. So after you have restructured this text here, so all you need to do is, when you are trying to promote this Spreezy platform, so you copy your affiliate link from this Spreezy.com. Once you copy your affiliate link, then you go to bit.ly to short your URL. And if you don't want to short your URL, there is another way in which you can actually use that. So once you implement or add your affiliate link on this page, so let's say for instance you want to implement your affiliate link on this particular text, which is YouTube cards, or let's say for instance you want to use another link. So you can just type in here grow your channel from here. So with this grow your channel, or click now to grow your channel. Okay, click here to grow your channel. So I think this is okay like this. So you can implement your link here. So you can see here, once you right click, there's this pop up, then you click on link, then you paste your affiliate link here. So once you paste your affiliate link, then you click on share here. So once you click on share, you'll be able to get this Google Doc link directly. So once you get Google Doc link directly, so how are you going to, so you can see here, how are you going to promote this particular link? As you can see, I'll be showing you two different ways in which you can use to promote this particular page or particular link. So if you want to promote your link, there are two ways in which you can actually use. There are a lot of people on Quora platform, so I'll show you now. There are a lot of people on Quora who are really interested in growing their YouTube channel. So how are you going to convince them, or how are you going to solve their problems? So Quora is a platform where you solve people's problem, or if you have a question, or you are facing some particular challenges, so you can come here on Quora and ask a question, and people will respond to it if they have answer to it. So let's type in YouTube here, so you can see if people are really interested in promoting their channel. So questions, so you can see here, this is question: how can we get more YouTube subscribers? How do I increase views on YouTube? How can I get more views on my YouTube videos? So you can see all these questions here. Once you get started, so just click on each question, then you open. Once you open, then you scroll to where you can provide an answer to that particular question. So you can see here, how can we get more YouTube subscribers? So you can click on answer here, so you'll be able to understand how to then write in. There are different ways in which you can use to promote your YouTube channel and get lots of subscribers. So just type in here, then you input if you are really interested in getting huge subscribers, kindly follow this link. Then with this link, you are going to paste that Google Doc link. So once you paste it, anyone, as you can see here, these are almost 2,000 people are following this trend. So definitely any comments you make, these people, all those people are going to see your comment, and they're kind of like, let me click on this link and see what it's all about. So once they see, you also provide a little brief on how this can be done and what they need to follow. So definitely they are going to click on your link. So once they click on your link, it will redirect them to your Spreezy affiliate link. So once they direct them to Spreezy platform, so definitely they are going to see what Spreezy is all about. And once they see what Spreezy is all about, don't forget you have your affiliate link inside the Google Doc they click. So once they click on it, any service they purchase on this platform, they are going to earn a commission for that. So, and I believe that the commission for every sales or anybody that follows your link and sign up and purchase a service on Spreezy.com, I think there is a 20% for every sales they purchase. So with that, you are going to make lots of money. And as you can see here on Fiverr, you can see what I'm actually making on Fiverr. You can see here, this is August 5th, and this is what I'm having currently, and I still have lots of orders in queue. Then I still have some other buyers who are intending to buy my service in some days now. So definitely there is a lot of money you are going to make with this platform. So I advise you not to use this method to joke, because definitely if you are looking at it like it's a joke, you are going to be losing lots of money on your table. So I think you should get started now, and definitely people are going to purchase this service from you using your affiliate marketing link. So I hope this video helped you in one way or the other, and if you have any question, please kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.